Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sell your team in FIFA Mobile. Now the only way to sell out your team is by making sure that each individual player is on the transfer market. So to go through that tutorial again, if you don't want to watch the tutorial, please go into the How to Internet YouTube channel. There is a video on how to sell your players and also how to remove your players from transfer market. So you're going to go into the market section. Then you're going to go into the my players, and all you're going to do is you're going to individually sell every single one of these players. Now most of these players cannot be traded, in which the other case this could be good for you because you can just use them and reuse them for your team. But most of these players, if you want to sell your whole team, you just sell them for a specific price, and in that way you have just sold your team. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.